नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, on hundreds of Adinavasis channels, YouTube Live, and two-way video conferencing. City sitting with us is long list, so I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today we are starting an important program, Shaktipada. Inner Awakening participants are going to have Inner Awakening and Sadashivoham. Participants are going to have past life regression. An intense purification process and Shaktipada initiation. I wanted this intense purification today so that you will all be able to receive 3 Shaktipada every day. And incorporate the power manifestation into your everyday life. Listen. Your logic is a length dimension of your life. Means all calculations, mathematics, if you do this, you will get this much money, and if you get this much money, you will have this much money, and if you get all this money, you can get all these items. Whatever functions logically, your logic can be very useful to develop a strategy to play with the logic of life. To get the maximum out of the logic of the life, your logic will be useful, no doubt. Your heart is the breath dimension of the universe. Understand? Poorest people on the planet Earth are people who work only in logic, forget the depth dimension, heart. If you calculate your whole life is just money or some luxury or something to be derived, you are poorest person. Somewhere, without squeezing, sucking, deriving, you should be able to flow wherever without the strategy or plan to get something out, to suck something out. You flow, your heart opens up, your breath expands. Understand? Where your calculative strategic mind, length, relaxes a bit and heart celebrates, your breath increases, your ability to be alive increases. Understand? Sometimes the people with breath will look like a fools for the people of logic, length. Because the cognition, the reason why a logical person does something and reason why a hard person does something is totally different. All these stupid, logical, third rate, cunning, dash, add whatever you want. When a devotee is experiencing the breath dimension, he is not in the mood of fleecing, sucking, strategically stealing. He is in the mood of flowing, pouring. That is why he pours his whole fruit of his labor. In those days, the fruit of the whole day labor is milk and ghee. He pours the milk on deity, ghee on the fire. Means literally he is pouring his life. The fruit and result of his life is pouring, is overflowing, is in ecstasy. Whatever he has made through his whole day, he is pouring it on the deity because he is experiencing that overflowing breath dimension of his awakened by God, and the deity represents God. So that is the only way he is expressing, is flowing. A cheat extortionist can never understand the milk being offered on the deity, milk being poured on the deity, because he doesn't know this dimension of life. He doesn't know this dimension of life. They go on abuse. Oh, there is so much poverty. Why the Hindus are wasting? Bloody, as long as we were living as a Hindu country, we were the richest economy. It is you fellows entered into our country and destroyed the whole economy, swindled us, robbed, swindled, made everything unstable. Understand, when you are too otherworldly, you will have so much of energy. This world economy will look too small, and it look too casual, too small. They say if you travel more, you will be more intelligent. We were not just traveling from country to country, we were traveling from plane to plane. These fools are talking people from other countries as aliens. For us, the people from other planes are bandhus. the friends. Bandava Shivabhaktascha Swadesho Bhuvanatrayam. The three universes are my Swadesha, my country. And I commit with you guys, I will not leave the body till I start the travel to other planes as a regular lifestyle for Hindus. Let this be video recorded. Let it be there. I'll prove this. It is possible and I'll prove this. Now it looked too big. It is not. This access to other planes makes lifestyle here too simple. Too simple. This plane's economy, agriculture, all that becomes too simple when you have access and knowledge of other planes. That's the way our rishis did everything. Our rishis did what they did because so much of knowledge available from other planes, access to other planes. Breath, B-R-E-A-D-T-H, not breathing breath. I am talking about breath. Breath is another dimension of human being. A person who has not tasted it can never understand. A person who has never seen the ocean, you cannot explain it to him. You can't say, it is a water. He may visualize 200 bottles. Oh, water bottle. No. Water bottle is not water. Because this fool has seen water only in the bottle. So the moment you say water, he may be visualizing, oh, front water bottle, side water bottle, above water bottle, below water bottle, side water bottle, all 10 direction water bottle. The fellow who has not seen the ocean, you can go on be describing, he will never be able to grasp it. He will never be able to grasp it. Even when I say I will make this access to the other planes as reality, it will be very difficult for even Hindus to grasp it. They may believe, but difficult to grasp. Listen. Actually, all you need to travel to the other planes is very simple. Just have a well-built, strong body through yoga and a clean stomach. That's all you need. You can be in that space. Easily you can be lifted. Understand? Your whole body can be lifted, but even 10 gram toxins cannot be lifted. The other day I was sitting in the mandala process. One of my team member, she was asking, Swamiji, what? Such well-built, big bodies. You only look and they fly. They are rolling on the ground, jumping. What kind of power it is? I can lift even if you are 500 kg, but I cannot lift even 5 gram toxins. A clean stomach and body built by yoga is enough. Just like how Arunagiri Yogeshwara took me to Kailasa by holding the hand. I can just hold your hand and take you to the Kailasa. That is why I insist on Panchakriya and morning yoga. Understand? It's not that I am torturing you, I am training you. This morning yoga and Panchakriya, because Panchakriya will remove all toxins. It is aimed at specific places where toxins gather. See, constantly seeing lot of subtle toxins and pressure gathers on the eyeballs. So cleaning the eyeballs takes away the pressure and the toxins. And of course, Jalabhasti cleanses the colon and the whole lower intestine. In 2003, I started talking about power manifestation. And all of you have feast. 2 of my Adinavasis have taken the responsibility. The whole old archives are getting edited and getting uploaded. You can expect unexpected feast. My satsangs in English and Tamil and intimate talks with Adinavasis, question answer sessions in Inner Awakenings or NSPs I conducted or various satsangs, all that. All of you need to know, we have 12,000 hours of my satsangs recordings. And there are only 2,000 hours available in YouTube, in public. More than 10,000 hours is sitting. So the editing has started, uploading has started. In 2003, I started speaking about power manifestation. Whoever has practiced whatever I said in 2003, those practices, they all stayed with me and they are all manifesting powers now. Understand? Now whoever is practicing whatever I am saying, now all I am asking is only one thing, morning spiritual routine, that yoga, panchakriya, puja and satsang. Whoever is practicing will stay with me and experience multi-dimensions of the universe, having access to multi-dimensions of the universe in next few years. I don't even want to say few years, maybe in 1 or 2 years, because your body need to be prepared for this whole experience. Understand? Whoever had Anandagandha initiation, practicing, healing, all that, now power manifestation has become very simple for them. Just like that they are manifesting. Initiation is happening so easily. Shaktipada is happening beautifully. That is why I am insisting on morning spiritual routine. Wherever you are, don't miss morning spiritual routine. I'll open the doors of Kailasa for you. Today, how many people are manifesting powers? That time, that many people are not even ready to forget about believing, even listen to what I was saying. Same way, today how many of you are listening? Like that 10 times more people will be experiencing when I am showing the other planes of consciousness. Understand? I am talking very responsibly. When we are uploading all these videos from 2003, you will understand everything I declared. I went on proving, establishing, making all that into Sakshi Pramana. It is actually a spiritual evolution of the humanity in the modern day. The way the powers manifested and manifesting. You may contain a forest fire, not a big bang. You may contain tsunami, but not Sadashiva's Binami. Dimension of breadth. Unless you experience it, they can't understand. A person who has a pet animal and who neither has pet nor has an interest in pet, one cannot understand the other's emotion. You are spending money on your dog? You are taking him to the doctor? Here poor people don't have money even for food. And you are getting him bed sheet. It is nothing to do with whether you have money or not. It's a different frequency. Of course, I am not promoting having pets. I am making it very clear. I am not promoting having pets. Especially you do all that torture on them. All I am trying to tell you is the person who has a pet and what all he does, who does not have, both cannot understand each other's space. Same way, a person who lives with deity, who does not know puja, does not live with the deity, does not have connection with the deity, they both can never understand. This fellow will tell, you are keeping a stone and pouring milk and everything on it from morning till night. You are playing with it. What is going on? When you wake up, you wake that up. When you go to bed, you put it to bed. The person who lives with the deity can never be understood by a person who is not connected, who is not having feeling connection with the deity. because he is experiencing the other dimension, breadth. Same way. The depth, cognition. Listen carefully. Length, your logic. Very useful to suck whatever functions based of logic. It will be very useful for your mathematics, business, life, luxury, comforts, money. To play, strategize with logic, your logic will be useful. The logic of the society, your logic will be useful. But life is not all about logic. As I said, the fellow who never had a pet, does not have an interest, can never understand why people spend so much money on the pet animals. The right will of their properties. They get beautiful place to live, all the best things. You can never understand that. Same way, a person who is connected to deity, who lives with the deity, can never be understood by a person who is not connected to deity. Even now, the best moments of my life is the time I spend in puja. That's all. Your cognitions, depth, third dimension of you, third component of you, understand? Logic, length, heart, breadth, and depth. Cognitions. Cognitions means your strong conclusions. Like if you touch the fire, you will be burned. I want you to know that is not truth, that is your conclusion. Do not mistake truth and conclusions. There are enough of records. When that conclusion changes, fire does not burn you. When that cognition changes, fire responds in a different way, reacts in a different way. Understand? Changing those cognitions from powerlessness to powerfulness is manifesting Shaktis. Your cognitions are like Indian village broomstick. I don't know how many of you have seen it. In Indian villages, we have a broomstick where we get the spine of coconut leaf and tie all of them together with another one coconut leaf and make a broomstick. Your depth, your cognition is like that broomstick. Many cognitions tied with one idea of I, ego. The master's job is first to cut that thread which ties and remove all the rotten sticks and throw it. You can see the typical Indian village broomstick. Oh God, nowadays in internet they started selling this. 499 rupees. My grandmother would have committed suicide if she knows this. Because she will not give more than 8 annas. 8 anna, 9th anna, if that fellow asks, He will be beaten by this. She will take one and beat him. 8 ana, 1 broomstick. The house in which I was born and brought up is too big. It's a joint family. So she will buy actually the whole thing, like 20-30 pieces that fellows will bring in bicycle, and she will buy the whole thing. And that negotiation will start from morning and may end only by noon. And it will all be only between 10 ana and 8 ana. And he will start with the 10, she will start with 8. Actually, I feel that is the way these guys sit and spend time together. It is nothing about business, it is about catching up what is going on in your village. They will finish all this small talk for 1 hour and then again remember about the bargain going on. Hey, I told you 8 annas, what is going on? And he will start this again, same story. Ma, you know, nowadays for 8 anna what comes? And I have 2 kids, I have to give food for them, and I am working from morning till night. Why don't you give 10 anna? And you are standing with 8 annas. Then she will say, what happened? What happened to your neighbor? That girl got married? And it will go on till where that girl is now and how many kids and everything. 2 hours. And again she will start, hey, I told you 8 anna, why are you wasting my time? He will come back and tell the same thing. Our cognition is just like this broomstick. The good news is, Guru can change it. The great news is, only removing the first stick will be difficult, because after removing the first stick, it will be loosened. The whole thing will be loosened. Removing second stick, third stick is not at all a job. First initiation, you coming here is what is all required. Once I pull out one stick, after that, the whole thing has become loose. Then removing any number of sticks is easy, and adding the new powerful cognitions is easy. Understand, I am telling you. Ultimately, man cannot make it, he has to be given. But for giving, your body need to be little prepared. See, you yourself cannot jump from here to Australia or here to America. You can only go by flight. But you need little bit of health to travel in the flight. Same way, you yourself cannot move to Kailasa. I only have to take you. But you just need little bit of that stamina in your system, where I can take you beautifully and make you experience this whole thing. What I am saying, morning yoga, panchakriya, everything is just to build stamina in your system, nothing else. It is to build stamina in your length, breadth and depth in all 3 levels. When you get up in the morning, against all your patterns, come for yoga, you build certain stamina which can literally give you the experience of Kailasa. It is certain stamina to handle ups and downs. It's like the ability to handle the turbulence during the flight. If your heart is so weak and you just get heart attack during the turbulence, what to do? Then how can you land in Australia? How can you land in America, where you want to go? You need stamina. Same way, even the travel towards Kailasa, there will be turbulences. Your system needs stamina to handle all the chemical changes and hormonal changes in the system. See that when you are raised to the Kailasa, there is certain zone where there will be heavy hormonal change. That's what you call Gandharvaloka. There will be heavy adrenaline release, which you call it Naraka. So body needs stamina, system needs stamina, not to get stuck in any of that and move to Kailasa. That is why the preparation. That is why Yoga and Panchakriya. It's not that some Animacan company is funding me and we have an agreement, secret agreement, that I'll promote your cans. This is not doctor pharmaceutical company, unholy nexus, no. Few Shaktipada is enough to give you the experience of manifesting powers, manifesting states of consciousness, manifesting the access to various planes of consciousness, various planes of universe. Few Shaktipada is more than enough. Your system needs a stamina to handle it, that's all. That's all, nothing else. So all the participants who are here for Shaktipada, please do morning routine authentically. Come to morning yoga on time and do Panchakriya authentic. Panchakriya I cannot watch whether you do it or not. You better do it. And do the puja authentically. Naturally, you will be sitting in the satsang. Do all this authentically, and I guarantee you guys not only will manifest powers, you will do demo successfully on the 8th. Guru Purnima. You will be part of the great historic event. Understand? Don't waste your 9 days' time. You have come all the way from various countries, various part of the globe. Celebrate Kailasa. Enjoy Kailasa and make use of Kailasa completely. Make use of Kailasa completely. Understand? This time, yes, come down only to give. His hand is always above. Even when things are offered, people who offer stand in the queue, I pick up from whichever plate I want. That's all. Even for that, this time hand will not go down. No. All I ask from all the Shaktipada participants who are here for these 9 days, just be integrated to morning routine, nothing else. Whole day, even if you sleep, I don't care. Anyhow, during the Shaktipat, during the initiation, I'll take care. Nothing else is required. Just be integrated to morning routine. So you have a clean stomach. See, clean stomach is very important. The person whose stomach is not clean, he will be agitated and go on fighting with everyone, creating politics everywhere. I tell you, the fellows who go on create problems, fight, incompletions amongst others, all they need is just enema can. Sometimes put it in the mouth also. Because sometimes their mouth is so foul and the language is such foul language and it is so dirty. I tell you, if we make enema compulsory to all politicians, at least 70% corruption and problems will come down. See, to disturb others, to create unnecessary problems, you need certain agitated space inside. The clean stomach does not support the agitated space. It does not support. Even if you want to be agitated, you will not be. After 5-10 minutes, it's okay. A clean stomach person will be tremendously compassionate. He is so settled inside, he will be so settled with outside. So Panchakriya, all I am asking from Shaktipada participants, be integrated to morning Panchakriya, that's all. Because you are going to have 3 initiations every day. See, 3, not just initiation, you are going to sit in the mandala, in the Sadashiva mandala, you are going to sit. That will create a subtle but very strong energies and heat. So your system needs to be clean and cool for these energies to be digested and manifest as powers. Unfortunately, this time we were not able to accommodate you guys inside, so you are staying outside. But don't eat anything outside. Food will be provided here. Eat only that food. Pure vegetarian, organic, agamic food cooked as per Sadashiva's Bhagashastra. Hope soon the new batch of Adinavasis will take care of the construction and we will be able to accommodate next batch Shaktipada participants in the campus itself. Every year 4 times we will set new records. See, in power manifestation nobody else can break record or set record. Forget about it. You need to know, Guinness people said, only if somebody else can break the record, we can accept that as a Guinness record. I told them, send this as an email, that is Guinness record for me. When you say nobody else can break this record, that is the Guinness record, enough. These power manifestation records, nobody else can break. We only have to set it, next time we will break it. And then we will set a new trend, and next time we will break it. So every year 4 times, Guru Purnima, Navaratri, Swamiji's birthday and Shivaratri. 4 times we will set record, new record, new record, new record. So next Navaratri we will have one more Shaktipada batch. And for Jayanti we will have one more Shaktipada batch. All I am asking you is just be integrated to Panchakriya, that's all. Nothing else. You manifesting powers is my responsibility. So, let's get ready. We have a long day, long sessions. My blessings to all of you. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.